Hey guys, we received this Aerotrunk compression packing cubes for travel. These are luggage organizer bags and the double zipper packing cubes. The good thing is it's like a compression thing that I will show you how we can make it more compact and then use it in our packing, can reduce the space while putting in the things. So they are the fourth pack and is gray color. So let me just open this up. So you can see it here like the different sizes and very nice quality and the double zipper. So this is like the main zipper, so that will increase the size of this bag. So this is the actual size of the bag. And then the upper zipper is to put in the stuff. So you can compress your clothes inside it so that it will take less space. I will show you how. And then you can also safely secure your clothes inside it and then arrange it in a box in the bag so that you can put in the stuff. So the small size is like 9.8 by 4.3, medium is 10.2 to 8.3, and the medium to large one is 13 inch to 21 inches, and the large one is 13 by 9.8 inches in size. So this is all like the different sizes, and then you can easily put in your carry-on or your check bag and then put in the stuff. So say you are putting in some clothes here, and just like showing as a demo, so not like, and then you packed it in this open box or the fabric one like this. Now it will take the big size here. Now we start compressing this with this compression thing. So that it can reduce the size of the overall bag. So you have to just make sure like you zip it nicely, not like overturn, but the thing is just compress a little bit and then zip it, and so this will hold in the shape and the size. And then this is when done, you can see this is become a compression bag, and you can easily store it in your carry-on. So from that size it reduced the size up to this. You can also put in the others like that, and then the same thing. So it's a nice compression bag set and a nice quality one, waterproof from the sides, and easily can come in your carry-on and carry bag. So hopefully this is also helpful in your travel if you want to go anywhere, and then you can have fun with this bags and organize your clothes well and pack things.